you need to, the 4 and 3 are correct. This part is correct, this is not. So, re-examine before you go on. And how do you say that, Tessa? Correct. Cool. Now, we just, everything, this is all correct. This you need to check. There you go. And how would you say your number, boy? Beautiful. Good job. Do you have one?
I have one at home.
Just keep that one for here. You need to keep those here. Put them in your desk so you have them, okay?
What is up with them?
What's that?
They're like just screaming.
Well, they're just having fun. I bet you guys don't scream at all when you're outside playing.
No.
They're just having fun. All right, story problems. This is, hint, hint, a two-part story problem. Olivia, you saved $29.42. Riley has saved $15.71 more. How much money have both girls saved all together?
I have been in a lot of stories.
Yes, you have. Olivia's a popular, it's not spelled the same, but it's a popular name in these math books.
So is Emma.
All right, so what is your first step going to be? What are you going to solve first? Jonathan.
$29.49 plus
40, how many cents? $29 and how many cents?
42
There you go. Okay.
and $15.71.
All right, so first you need to solve that. That is correct.
Was it math? Yeah.
So what is your answer for that portion? Tessa.
$45.13.
Correct. What is the second portion of the story problem? How much money have both girls saved all together? So this is a little tricky. Olivia has saved $29.42. Riley has saved $15.71 more. So what are we going to add for the second sequence of this story problem, Owen?
$45.13
Plus,
plus $29.42.
correct. Now why are you adding Olivia's and not Riley's? Why are we going back to the $29.42? Owen, how did you come to that conclusion? You're right. You're not wrong. You are absolutely correct. I'm just curious as to how we are now adding those two specific numbers. So the $29.42 plus the $45.13. How much more money have both girls saved altogether? Owen.
Because I want to know how much they both saved.
Yes. So you're going to add $29.42 plus the answer to the first section, which is $45.13. Emma.
$74.55.
Correct. So you're going to put that in your story problem answer as well. Excuse me. It is $74.55.
Ooh, my cousin's family is traveling. Because my cousin is Mason.
Oh. Thank goodness for water. All right, we have another two-part story problem. All right, Mason's family traveled 207 miles on their first day of vacation. They traveled twice as far on the second day. How many miles did they travel on both days? What is the first thing you're going to do? What is the first step of this two-step problem? Helen?
207 miles plus 200 miles.
Mason's family traveled 207 miles, and then they traveled twice as far on the second day. What are we going to do? What are the numbers we're going to punch in for our first part of the story problem? Jeremiah.
207 times 2.
Correct. 207 times 2. They're trying to find out twice as much of 207. Grant, what is the answer to that?
414.
Correct. All right, so we know they traveled 414 miles in 2 days. How are we going to come up with how many miles did they travel on both days? They traveled twice as far on the second day. How many miles did they travel on both days? So what are we going to do? We're going to do what with the second part? Christian.
414 plus 207.
Yes, very good. 414 plus 207. Very good. Cole,
I have the answer.
let's hear it.
629.
Yes, so what are you gonna put into your story problem? 621 what? Cole?
Miles.
Yes, correct. All right, still don't have anybody here to clean desks. Let's do one more. So if we were to solve 7A, we look at that, and what are we going to do first? Who would like to come up and solve 7A? You're going to follow the signs, but there should be something that should tell you what you are going to do first. Who is not come up? Ella, what are you going to do first and why? And why? Correct. So you're going to do that first and then follow the signs to get your answer. So Ella, you can come up and do that. Sorry. If you want to write, if you need to write it down, you can. If you're doing it on your head, you press. Correct. And you put Very nice. Very nice. Very, very good. You see what she did? 7 times 9 is 63. Minus 12 is 51. Minus 9 is 42. Plus 10 is 52. Good job. And she did that all in her head. I'm so impressed. Does everybody have that?
Yeah.
All right, so we need to get moving. No, I can do that. So I need you to clear your desk.
She's here.
All right, I will take them down, and if you want to clean the desks, perfect. All right.